Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting by opening the Styles pane so you can work consistently. First, select a paragraph that represents the element you'll build, such as a heading 1 or body text. Once done, set the font, size, color, and paragraph spacing manually so the preview looks right. Make sure to use the Home tab arrow or Alt plus Control plus Shift plus S to keep the pane visible. This makes creating and modifying faster. This approach prevents mismatched formatting later and speeds up global edits. Now you'll create or modify a style so changes propagate everywhere. Right-click an existing style to modify it, or choose New Style and base it on normal or another style to inherit settings. Next, set the style for following paragraph to ensure lists and headings flow correctly. You can also assign a keyboard shortcut and use format options for indents, tabs, and numbering. This ensures lists and captions behave predictably. Doing this saves time when generating long, structured documents. Finish by applying and verifying styles across the document so everything is uniform. Use the Styles pane or your shortcuts to tag each heading, caption, and paragraph. Once applied, updating a style updates all instances. If you need to change the look later, modify the style or update style to match selection and watch the document refresh. If formatting looks wrong, clear direct formatting, Control plus space, and reapply the style. This fixes local overrides and restores consistency quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.